Tessa. Tessa. Good morning. Oh, let's do it. You want to go to your school today? Tessa gets to go to her school today. Oh boy. You get to take your lunch kit? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Need Kleenex? Oh. What you gonna do? Oh, you want to put it in your lunch kit?
Hot.
Put it in your backpack, please.
So it says the top. It says the top.
Yes.
It says the top.
Yeah. Put it in your backpack. What else is in the bag?
Yes.
Glue sticks. Yeah, put it in your backpack when you take them to school. This way. Up, 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 up. Let me back up. Let's go get your backpack. Slow down.
I'm so glad it's great.
Where's Tessa's box? This way. Up, 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 up.
He was so cute because
This
here's
is
the
us.
sign out sheet, Patty, whenever you
Okay.
get a chance, just make sure. And we are going to
This stays here,
on
right?
Thursday where it says comments, please.
Where's your lunch box? Look, where's your lunch box? Come here.
Just like that.
There's Tessa's.
Hey, did you think school was great?
Look, no, not that one. No, this one says Tessa.
Yeah.
Look, come show me. Come show me.
Just leave a picture.
Bye. See you Thursday.
Later.
Huh?
Minnie
Fingernails.
Mouse.
Oh, excuse me. Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
It sounded like fingernails.